Hello, driving intelligence community. Do you have one of these garage door openers that's sitting on your sun visor, and if someone breaks in, they can steal it? They can go through your console or your glove box, get out your address information, and take this there, open up your garage door, and rob you? I did, and I decided that I was going to upgrade to a HomeLink system. So I've gone to a pick and pull, and I found these types of HomeLink systems. This one provides the opportunity to open 3 different garage doors separately. And this video is about integrating OEM style HomeLink into your vehicle. Doesn't matter what vehicle you have. All you need is a hot wire connection and a ground. This one actually has a wire that lights up the buttons. So when you turn your lights on at night, it lights up the buttons. You can see what you're pushing. But it's relatively easy. It's just, like I said, normally they're just 2 wires. You got to find a hot and a ground, and you connect this, and then you've got HomeLink, and somebody can't steal that and run to your house. But I also like the integrated look, the OEM look of something like this. So follow along in this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and thanks for watching. What I was hoping was going to be a very simple project is turning out to be much more complicated. In my F-150 XLT, I don't have the garage door opener, so I bought these sun visors. They came out of an expedition of the same year, 2002. It's got the HomeLink system. It's got the electrical connections. All I got to do is run this to a permanent hot. But the problem is this connection here, this bolting connection, is not identical. I find that I have 2 02 F-150s, a Harley Davidson version and the XLT, and it seems they're the only ones that have the bolts on these 2 sides of this bracket versus in this direction. So I'm not going to be able to install this as a plug and play kind of thing. So what I did is I found another one, and I removed this from an old junked Lincoln. It's the same thing. I've already tested it. It works. I removed this plastic piece, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it behind the headliner. All I need to do is connect these 2 wires to permanent hot. Actually, I've connected this to the battery, and I programmed it to my garage door opener already, so this thing's ready to go as soon as I give it power. This way I can get rid of the garage door opener that's clipped onto the sun visor in my vehicle as is. I've already pulled this cover plate off. You can see that if I push it all the way down, it would give you a little bit of clearance to compress against the headliner. But you carefully pry this out. You can see the clips. They go through the case, and then this easily comes out, and this can become your template for cutting a hole in the headliner. I've already removed the stock sun visor. I need to remove this, and I'm going to mount my HomeLink right here, somewhere in this general area, so I can tap into the wires that go back to the lights that are always on, or always powered, not always on. So I'll have to remove this console to do that. I've removed the dome light, which includes 2 map lights. The map lights are always hot, so that's what I want to tap into. The dome light only goes on when you open the door or turn on the accessory switch on the dash. So I'm going to do a voltage check and see which one is which. Did my voltage check, and the green is always hot, so that's your map light. The black in the center is ground, and then it looks like black with a blue stripe is your door activated dome light. My HomeLink also has green, so tapping into the dome light, or the map light, it's a green wire that matches perfectly. I happen to find in my stash a color matching green and black wire. It's actually speaker wire, but it works just as well. I'm going to strip it, splice it because I need the extra length, and then tap it into the dome light. I had some heat shrink butt splices, so I'll shrink these up, and then I'll just fish this above the headliner, and then I can get to the next phase after I tap this into the dome light. I fished that line all the way up across the headliner, pulled it out. Now I need to strip it and splice it into that connection. Dome light is reinstalled, working perfectly. There's the constant hot. And now need to install the HomeLink. When you do this, you want to make sure that you'll notice there's some considerable distance between the headliner and the roof. You'll want to make sure that the HomeLink is installed somewhere in this area so you're not pushing against the roof and causing a bulge in your headliner. I've cut my hole in the headliner so that I can insert the HomeLink. So now I just got to make sure that everything fits perfectly, and I'll start to reassemble. So HomeLink is installed, but this is absolutely the hardest part of this. You can see how thick the headliner is. That's too thick for the stock bezel, so you have to shave some of the headliner on top. I used this knife, and I kept shaving within the hole until I got to a point where it would snap in. Everything's installed, so now the grand test. Will this work? It works like it's factory.